Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Bryan. Been tattooing about 8 years. I started in California, and I had some friends that moved over here to like Central Michigan, which is kind of like middle of nowhere for a lot of people. But I moved out here, and there was 3 tattoo shops, and so I started looking at Dax's videos, right in around that time, I think. Because I really needed some help. I felt like I was just starting my shop, so I was by myself, and
Okay.
I was, like I said, I'm 2,500 miles away from where I came from, like where I grew up, everybody I've ever known. I was living in an apartment, little tiny space, I was stressed out, working for other people, paying 50%, stuff like that,
Let's talk about some of the big wins that you had for yourself.
Okay. So probably like 2 months in, I doubled my income. I went from just a couple thousand to almost 10,000 in that like second month. And then, I've averaged I bring myself in at least like 7-8 grand a month, and I'm living in a place where I only pay $700 a month for my shop, $700 for my house, All these cool things are happening, like our credit's getting better, and like we've been able to like get credit cards and pay stuff off, so I'm not like
Nice.
crazy in debt. I'm paying my child support every month, stuff like that, all the little things are taken care of.
Okay, and I know some people that are watching this, they're going to have a question of like, well, does a course like this that teaches you how to make money, does it overpower the passion? Does it take the passion away? What are your thoughts on that?
I think if you do it wrong, you could, it's to the individual. Like if somebody focuses on just that aspect of tattooing, then they don't really love what they do,
Right.
That's what I think. So it's like, I think I might have even done that though for a little bit, like overdone it kind of, where I was more like, well, how much can I get in the month, and then the more I went through the course, because the course kind of unlocks as you go, so
Right.
then I would get to another section of it, and it would be like, oh, that's where I'm fucking up, I need to do this thing differently, or I need to talk to them like this, A lot of the stuff applied to maybe like your shop, where it's kind of bustling, and it's been, like you have a lot of people like contacting you, so then this is my system for how I take care of that kind of thing,
Right.
And so like I'm not scared going forward on like the business getting bigger or getting crazier either, because I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve, I guess, for that kind of stuff. But I was able to apply a lot of it to what I do, even though it says not exactly the same kind of business, because it's just me in there,
Right.
But yeah, like not picking and choosing, but like taking the pillars and shit, like the biggest things, man. That's what really helped me. Yeah, my clients like it too, and so it's changed stuff, not just for me, but like this whole area out here, all the people I work with, like, so it's changed a lot of lives, man. It's not just, the artists, it's the clients too, that it's just the whole industry in a whole. It's gonna affect a lot of us, It's gonna make you more money, it's gonna get you better clients, it's gonna make you happier with the clients that come in, like where you're gonna be able to do the tattoos that you want to do. It's gonna give you more freedom financially, where you can have more time to do the things you want to do. So everybody's different, I like to spend more time with my family, so
Right.
that's when I get that extra time, that's what I do with it, Shit, man. Clarity, I think, maybe too, like on the future, and like how I'm gonna move forward too, and like have a plan, as I go forward. It's not like I'm stumbling around in the dark trying to figure it out.
Right.
Which I'm sure it probably was like that for you in some aspects when you first started your business, So it's
Definitely.
like